Into the environment. Slim and powerful, yeah. Low maintenance, I like that. All right, let's go.
Hi there. I'm the newest member of the HP 6005 Pro family. With AMD business class processors and chipsets, I make the perfect business partner. I can help you keep your workspace quieter and cooler with AMD Cool and Quiet technology. I turn heads with integrated ATI Radeon HD 4200 graphics. I'm easy to please with simplified serviceability, toolless hood removal, drive bays, and slots. I'm wired for energy savings with HP Power Assistant, 90% recyclable materials, side port memory, and an 87% efficient power supply. And I'm into the environment. I'm BFR and PVC free from wall to mouse. So go beyond the ordinary with me. I'm your ideal business partner.